Good afternoon. Today's day is the 24th of June 2018. I am on the Euro USD 15-minute chart. I am back testing, building confluence in order to execute trades. I want to go long, and I see that price is heading in a downward direction. Bears are in control. So what I want to do is place a trend line up to start my process in building confluence. So I place the trend line up as you see right here, and all I'm waiting for is for price to break through and head to the upward direction. So that's one. I'm building confluence, and when we build confluence, we want 3 or more. The more the better. So that's one. So I look at my indicators, and I'm looking for anything to give me signs that it will be heading in the direction that I'm looking to go. So let's check out the MACD histogram. And as you see right here on the MACD histogram, this is the histogram. It's starting to uptick, which is a good indication that price is going to start to reverse. Also, you see that the MACD is closing in, and it's looking as if it's going to cross soon. We don't know yet because we haven't got to this area, but it looks as though it's closing in. So far we have the trend line along with the MACD histogram. Histogram is upticking and the MACD is closing in. So that's basically 3 indications right there. Let's check out the RSI, and that is the relative strength index. All right. So we see that the RSI is heading in a downward direction. However, the RSI is extremely close to the 30 mark. So we can definitely expect price to start to turn around. And that is right where my crosshair is. The RSI is right here, down at the 30 mark. And if you look down, that's this bearish candle right here. I would have placed my first position on this bearish candle, because even though it have not broke the trend line yet, on the RSI, it is very close to the 30 mark, so I can expect price to reverse, along with the histogram upticking and the fact that the MACD is closing in. So I would have placed my positions there. And then the next candle, you see price started to reverse. And it was reaching the trend line, and it broke through. It bust through the trend line. Right where it broke through on this candle, I would have laddered some long positions. And then what I'm waiting for now, I'm waiting for to see if when price will start to retrace, which we call a pullback for most people. So what's going to give me an indication that the price can start to pull back soon? Because we don't know yet, and we have not put our fib levels yet. So let's check. All right. So we see that the RSI is heading in the upward direction. So that's good. That's the direction we're trading in. And we see on the histogram is upticking to the upside, along with the MACD cross. Also, when the MACD cross, I would have laddered more positions, and that was on the 3rd candle right here. So I'm waiting for it to retrace. So I check out the RSI, and as you see, the RSI is at the 70 mark. We can definitely expect for price to retrace. And as you see, right in that area is where price retraced. And that is right on the daily level, the 1.1731 mark. And that is also the level where I ended the fibs PRZ levels, which is our price reversal zones. We use fibs for entries and exits. So my first long positions that I had laddered, I would have closed them all out right at this level. So now I'm waiting to go long again, and price is consolidating between the 23.6% and the 0%. So I want a good area to enter. So I'm looking at price, and price action is starting to go downward, close near the 23.6% level. So I put up a trend line, as you see right there, and I'm waiting again for price to break through. So let me check out the RSI. Right here where you see this eclipse, you see that there is a little bearish divergence on, bullish divergence on the RSI. I'll line my crosshair up, as you see. It's going down, then it went down again on this candle, but as that candle was going down on the RSI, it's going up. I'm placing a few positions. I'm laddering more long positions, and as you see, price burst through the daily level I had set, and we are riding it to the next PRZ, which is a negative 27%, and we close. And as you see, price started to retrace again, and you could have placed more positions right there, because you can expect for price to bounce back up and head long, especially considering that the MAs are still underneath price, and the fact that the histogram and MACD are on the positive side, and you would have entered more positions, more long positions, and rode it to the next PRZ level. As you see, price burst through the level and kept going.